Critical breakout for the $2 level, guys. This is really important level to break for AMC after yesterday. Nice jump. We tested the level twice. The first time was here on the 4th of June, and the second time yesterday, and now officially we break it. So today we have to discuss where we're gonna go from here, and is that the squeeze that we're waiting for or not? The same for GameStop. We have to discuss because the price is still holding the high that we did or the last low that we did in earnings beginning of June. So this is really good, even though the market was going down, free falling and red, and many stocks going down like INTC and biggest semiconductor stocks going down, AMD going 10%, but the GameStop pulled back just 1 or 2%. This is show us that we have a huge buyer. But before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only, and remember we always do update on our Discord before the market open to discuss swing trade play, and of course for the stock that have a huge jump like what we did for the update that we did before for NPT. The jump almost 1000%. INHD the same, jumping from 27 until the 54, then flushed down. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our discourse ambition. So let us discuss first GameStop, because GameStop right now holding over the 20. It held the last bottom over the 21, and now is accumulating just below the 2369, the level that we tested last earnings and beginning of June. So this is the critical zone where we squeeze at. So we're missing almost 7%. Right now is neutral and it's going toward the 24. If we have a good reversal for the whole market, this would be a really good time for entry and reversal squeeze toward the 26 and the 28. However, for AMC, look really good because we broke the $2 today and held over it, and now jumping over the $2 and going toward the 245. From my opinion, the most important level for AMC for this month or the rest of the month and the rest of the year. Because if we broke the $2.46 without a rejection, we might have the second major reversal, because the first one happened here once we visit the last bottom over the $1 and we reverse 75%. And here, if we held the $2 and go toward the 3, we might do 50% at least for the second jump. But this time we need to hold over the 173, break the 246 in order to go toward over the $3, because it's been a while last time we saw the $3. So this would be the second leg of squeeze, and after that the ultimate level, at least for this month, is around the $4, and this would give us another 50% or the total 100%, because the first squeeze took a bit of time, but we did 75%. So this would be a good price target to hit before the end of this month or even the next month, to go toward the $4 or almost 100%. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, that if you think that we're gonna have the $4 or at least the $3 for this month or not, because right now we are on the $2 level. And yeah, we're getting near the $2.46, which is the squeeze zone for AMC. This will be really interesting to watch. We're gonna do update for it, of course, if we have the breakout around the 246. And I would discuss ambition first, if we had this breakout on the pre-market or after hours. And after that, as usual, tomorrow on our live streaming, usually 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching, guys. And of course, we'll do another update later on our Discord to discuss the unicorn for today, because the market right now is a bit bearish. SMCI, especially for SMCI, pulled back a lot. Now it's 12% and started to reverse. AMD started to reverse. Intel the same. AOI testing a major resistance right now. So we're going to discuss a major update for those all stocks in our Discord. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and see you all in a bit.